friends, I am Vivan Nanda of Class A, Section B of DAV Public School, Unit Bhubaneswar. Now I am going to present before you an activity to make all of you understand about rolling friction. For this, we require the following materials: a book, a sheet of paper, and some pens which are cylindrical. So let us start. I will place a sheet of paper and keep the book on it. Then I will pull the paper. So here the friction is moved. Then I will take the cylindrical pins and then keep them under the paper. So after we keep the pins, we'll keep the sheet of paper and the book on the pins, cylindrical pins. So from here, we'll apply the same amount of force that we applied in the previous case. So here we can see that the books moves a lot more easily and a lot more faster. So why it becomes easier to pull the book when it is pulled over cylindrical object? Before we discuss the above situation, we should know first what is sliding friction. It is the frictional force which opposes the relative sliding motion between the two surfaces which are in contact. It simply means if an object is in motion on a surface, the frictional force offered by the surface is called sliding friction. In our example, when a book is placed on a moving on a table, we said that the book is in the relative motion with the table. So the resistive force is called the sliding friction. But what happens when we attach the cylindrical pins at the bottom of the paper? So it becomes a lot more easier and faster to pull it because the friction gets reduced when rate extends. So this type of friction which arises when an object on a surface is called rolling friction. It is friction associated with rotational movement. So which is lesser, sliding friction or rolling friction? Yes, it is rolling friction. Thank you.